Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Sensationnel. This is a 30-inch butterfly lock unit, and as you guys can see, she is absolutely beautiful. So here is the cap construction. She is average head friendly, and I do have a larger size head, and she fits me just fine. So it does come with two combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. This also comes with an adjustable elastic band, which is good for security. So here is the lace part that you have. So you have 4 by 4 inches. And yeah, the hairline looks good. And this is how it falls on me. So it does go all the way to my butt. And then I wanted to share with you guys like how beautiful the locks look up close. So yeah, I tried a few styles out with it, but it was kind of a no-go because there is no coverage on the side, which I'll talk more about once I tell you guys my final thoughts. But yeah, I am going to go in and make this unit work for me, and I'll let you guys watch that. And of course, you guys know I'll finish out my final thoughts.
Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I beat nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, call on me. I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. I'm on to Sean, say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine, make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like a...
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so as you guys can see, I have the new, this is that new, okay? Like she just dropped, but this is the 30-inch butterfly lock wig by Sensationnel. And yeah, I was super excited to get this one. I do have her in the color number 1B, and yeah, so let's just jump right into, I think I'm gonna go into the claims, and then I'll go into how I feel about the unit and overall what I think. We have the 4x4 30-inch butterfly lock wig. So here are the claims. I'm just reading them straight from this card, this stock card here. So it says it has the 4x4 hand-tie parting with individual braided strands, which is actually true. It is individual. I hope you guys can see, but it's individual and it looks really good. It says that it is virtually undetectable lace, which is true. It is really nice. It melted right into the skin. I hope that you guys are seeing that, but yeah, it melted right into the skin and it looks so good, which I feel like the wig guys answered my prayers because I've been just wanting like a super long butterfly lock wig, and even the bob that I got by Zuri too. Like I just wanted to try butterfly locks, and once I tried that one, I wanted something longer, and here we are. So anyways, it says that it has natural edges with baby hair. I feel like, yeah, that's fair to say, and their baby hair is really nice. You do have to, or if you want it shorter like me, you do have to go in and cut it, but I think that is good that they make it longer in case you want to do like the little swirls and all that good stuff. It says that it has a high quality fiber. Obviously I'm probably not gonna know that, but the locks do look really good, so I'm impressed by the hair quality. It says that it has lightweight braiding hair. This hair is very lightweight. Now it does look, or it is very full, and it's very full looking, which is pretty good, but it is actually lightweight. Like I don't feel like anything is like weighing me down, which praise God. So let's go ahead and talk about the pros, and then I'll talk about the cons. So the pros is that the lace is really nice. It does melt into the skin. The hairline is nice. The baby hairs were nice. The braided or the locks are nice because they are individual, so they look more natural. All I had to do was go in and tint the lace. Actually, I did have to add a little bit of concealer just to make it stand out a little bit more from my personal preference. You can just go in and tint it because as you guys seen, like I went in and tinted it with my spray, but I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I don't get the satisfaction with some wigs. Like some wigs, this is amazing, and some wigs is just like, no. Okay, so yeah, I would recommend just putting like your foundation, or if you're gonna use that, you are still going to have to like add concealer or powder. So yeah, I do really like the Locs. They are very, very neat. As I said before, I do like the parting space and the hair, everything. I do like the fact that they are lightweight and they didn't overdo it. I know for myself personally, when I make crochet units, I make it extremely full, and that is something that I am working on, okay? But I do make it a little bit too full, so I am glad that they did not do that with this unit. It looks really good, even though it looks very, very full. As you guys can see, like, it looks super full. So yeah, I think this wig is absolutely gorgeous, but while I think it's gorgeous, there are some cons. So the only real con that I have with this unit is the fact that on the side over here, like if I wanted to kind of like, because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in, but at the beginning I did kind of put like a top knot bun, and then even if I wanted to wear it like on the side, like let me come closer, like there's no locks over here to like cover, so I feel like I have to wear it in like, I feel like I have to freaking wear it like in the middle part. Because if I, well, maybe I could wear it like this, maybe. Yeah, I could probably get away with that. But I feel like primarily I would have to wear it in a middle part because of the fact that there are no locks like on the side. Like there's like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like there's no coverage. So that's the only con that I have. But I mean, this is still a gorgeous unit. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, if she is not sold out, I would definitely have her in the link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. It is appreciated, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.